Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yaku right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to insert right and wrong symbol in MS Word. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are pretty new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to make a type. Then having make a type, apply the color of your choice. Then the next thing you want to do is to type in this particular code to get a right symbol. What you need to do is to simply type in 26 11, then on your keyboard press Alt and X, then you have the right symbol. Now move to the wrong color. What you need to do is to simply type in 26 12, then from your keyboard Alt and X, then you have wrong symbol. It's as simple as that. So basically this is how to simply type in right or wrong figure symbol in MS Word. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.